here to find a job.
Of course, that's the main point.
I'm here to find some great people to hire to bring with me back to Melbourne.
I'm here because I'm attending European Accounting Association's Talent Workshop.
The European Accounting Association is very much committed to support PhD students and young talent.
Well, I'm really interested in this event because here you can see a lot of potential recruiters and you can present your job market paper to many recruiters just in one event.
We receive applications from a number of doctoral students, and after doing a selection of these doctoral students and deciding which doctoral students are suitable to present their papers here in the Talent Workshop, this selection of students is being sent to recruiters.
This is a good opportunity for the institutions and also for young researchers in accounting to meet together.
Primarily from Europe, but also there's people from North America and Asia that are interviewing here, and this is a chance in Madrid to see a lot of those candidates all at once.
You can start contact by internet, maybe email or a chat on Skype, but face-to-face interview, really, it's another thing. I think it's better.
You really want to have a good personal interaction with potential colleagues because you will be working with them on research projects or they will be leading your students at your school in the classroom.
Well, it's like with my teaching. The personal touch is really important, particularly if I'm trying to convince people to move all the way across the world. I need to have a personal interaction with them.
We came here, we received our badge, then we had a formal speech from the president of the EAA.
The environment is buzzing and it's a quite nice experience in terms of social environment.
This parallel sessions I think is a really good idea because you can see what other students are doing, what are their research interests and what is in the market in terms of the types of research.
Oh, it's very well organized. I attended to very interesting presentations. And now I'm starting to do some interviews with people interested in our institution.
Doctoral students are interested in a wide variety of areas, and that means that universities have possibilities of hiring them for vacancies which are not just one vacancy, but they have areas like management accounting or auditing or corporate social responsibility, capital markets research, financial accounting research. So we have a variety of areas. Diversity, I think, is the name for candidates.
I consider job interviewing like a great opportunity to sell myself and my skills.
Once we get here, we can now interview them and find out much more about their research, find out can they respond to some pretty challenging questions about how they came up with their research topic, what research do they want to do next, what are the challenges they have within that dissertation.
Next step is a flyout. A flyout is being sent to them. If everything goes okay during the campus visit, then they make then an offer.
There are a lot of competitors who are more or less at the same level. They are almost the last year PhD students. They are looking for a job and we are competing with each other.